video, we will today talk about enable clearing transfer. It is one of the functionality in central payments, and in FAQ format, we will understand what this functionality is, and then we will answer a few questions. So as we are moving ahead, this is the 20th video, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Let's move ahead. Okay, so first let's understand what is central payment before we jump on to enable clearing transfer. So just as there is no theory here, you will just see the pictorial presentation where we are explaining what central payment is. So if you see on the left hand side we have SAP ERP, and then on the right hand side we have SAP S/4HANA, and in the middle we have SLT. Then we have an account reconciliation, accounts receivable invoice posted, an AR invoice, and then we have a AP invoice. And what happened is when central payment is active in the real time, this is automatically cleared upon posting. The moment invoice is posted, the field clearing, the field clearing field, which is technically BSEG, in the BSEG table it is AUGBL, that's filled with the value called ALE-extern, EXTERN. So the source, in the source system, the invoices are automatically cleared, and when those invoices are replicated in CFIN, those are replicated as open invoice. So if you see now, the AR invoice posted in ECC, replicated as open invoice in S/4HANA, closed in ECC, and now the payment processing and the reporting of those invoices, either AP reporting, AR reporting, any vendor balance reporting, will happen from S/4HANA. So that's the concept of central payment. Now let's understand what is technical clearing. So after activation of central payment, the invoices are tech cleared. I just mentioned you the field name in BSEC table AUGBL, and the value of it field is ALE-extern, EXTERN. So what is clearing transfer? So this is a critical functionality, and you need to be very cautious when you go to the design phase. It is a design question. What clearing transfer is. So in every project you have two options. Option one, you can, before you do the initial load, you can activate clearing transfer. And what will it do is open item in ECC will be replicated as open item in S4, and when the clearing is happening in ECC, clearing will get replicated to S4. So here it's like very simple, a non-central payment scenario. In a normal AP invoice is posted in ECC, it's replicated, and then when during the course of time after payment from ECC, the invoice clearing is happening, the clearing is also replicated. So this can be done before initial load. But you have another option which you can do before activating the central payment is your open item is replicated as tech cleared, and you continue your payments from ECC system itself. But when you are activating your central payment, you need to decide, okay, now my invoices are coming as tech cleared, but I need to open the invoices in source in CFIN and close it in source, because in future your payment system is central finance. So what you need to do is you need to run a program, and I will explain you how to get those to that program. So once you execute that program, what it will do is it will open the tech cleared invoices in CFIN system, and then you can make those payments. So what happened is, in the scenario one, posted invoice will be replicated as open item and will be cleared when invoices are cleared in source system. So it follows the source module. What happened in source is replicated in CFIN, and the payment still continues in ECC. Scenario two, posted invoice will be replicated as technically cleared, and those items need to be converted to open item before you activate central payment. So everything is tech cleared in CFIN until you activate your central payment, but you run the transfer functionality, clearing transfer, so that all your tech cleared open items or items are open, so that you can make the functionality of central payment. So these are the two options. You need to decide based on what fits in your project. So there is nothing good, nothing bad. It's all your choice, your customer's choice, the way you want to execute. Both options are available. Little bit complex, but try to understand from the text and from diagram. Listen it a couple of times. Of course, you will get it. Any specific note from SAP? This question comes often. How can I get my clearing transfer functionality? There is a note given here, 2292043. You can download this note, and it gives you theoretical details, some technical limitations, and what to do in source and what to do in CFIN. So this is a master note. It will also guide you to some notes in active implementation in ECC and some notes to be installed in S4HANA. So this is the master note. Please read it thoroughly before you just jump onto activation, because you are impacting a payment process, which is a very critical process in any organization. So that's all for today. So if you see now, we have reached a long path, 20 videos. This is the 20th video, enable technical or transfer clearing. And stay tuned to channel. Keep liking the channel, sharing the channel with your peers and colleagues, and do not forget to also give your comments, your experience in the video, in the comment section of the video. Stay in touch, and I will be sharing more videos very soon. Thank you.